What is going on, YouTube? Julian back with another video. So today I'm hosting an open house from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in a $550,000 home. The only thing is the weather kind of sucks today, so I was like, what am I going to do to pass some time while the signs are still out there? Hopefully somebody comes in. And I hope you enjoyed that little intro, by the way, because I'm going to show you how to do that. So today, instead of just showing a tour, I'm going to show you how to make a video for yourself. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you want me to kind of go more in depth on some of the training that we're about to go through. And while we're making the video, I'm going to show you how simple it is. And I'm going to utilize this DJI Gimbal. I'm going to use a cheap little microphone that I got from Amazon and an iPhone 7 Plus. Super outdated, but this is how I make all my videos. So if you look at any of my past videos, it was made with this right here. And a lot of people think I'm utilizing a camera, but I'm not. Thanks to my girlfriend, I'm utilizing a camera right now so I could actually show this. And then I also have a tripod. So let's go through that right now and go step by step. Okay, so now we're utilizing the 7 Plus. We're utilizing the microphone, as you can see there. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm showing you how I create the majority of my intro to my videos or the outro to my videos without utilizing a camera person. So if you're usually working by yourself, then this is how you're going to want to introduce yourself if you are a real estate agent. Of course, if you're just trying to make videos for YouTube or real estate content related videos for real estate agents, then you don't need this. But this is for somebody like me who's a real estate agent and trying to create videos of homes. It just shows you the difference between the audio of utilizing just the camera without the microphone, or with the microphone. But it's just a good, it's like a beginner way to get started. You know, even if you don't have the gimbal, at least you have something to showcase yourself without having to hold the camera up and get that selfie looking feeling. And cool, so let's move to the next scene. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you now is just like a little trick that I learned. I own a drone now, but I don't really utilize it as much because it's a practice drone. But when I first started doing this, I didn't have a drone. So this is for people who don't have a drone, but want to make it look like they're getting a drone shot. So this is just something extra for you guys, so I can show you how to do that. So you're gonna hold your gimbal. Once you hit the record, you're gonna start stepping back and slowly raising your arms. Slowly raising your arms. I'm about to bust through the shirt. And then you're gonna go higher. And then I'll show you right now. Let me play that back for you guys so that way you can see exactly what that looks like. Ready? Okay, so basically what I'm doing right here is I'm utilizing the wall to get like an aesthetic view. So like if you look here, when I hit record and I start going sideways, it then begins to focus on the home. Okay, so I'm not going back outside on the balcony, as you saw me, because I'm wearing socks and my shoes got like full of mud because it's a rainy day, as you can tell, like when I showed you the filming outside. So I don't want to get my socks wet again because I hate that feeling. But basically what I was doing when I was hanging over the balcony with the gimbal was I was getting a really cool aerial view of the backyard. So although like you could see me recording in the backyard, or you can see the clips of the recording of the backyard from me down below with the backyard, it's just a cool little trick that you can utilize if you have something like this. And you can utilize it like I used it in my $1 million video, $1 million home video, where I was above the kitchen table because it was an upstairs and I was able to get the aerial view of it. And that also gives like a really good, I guess, different perspective of the backyard versus just being in the backyard, because now you're above the backyard and you get to look at it the same way that you would look at it from the master balcony. So it's another trick. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to enter a room. Super simple technique, super easy. I like to try to get in between the door, just gives like an aesthetic view. You're going to press record, and you're going to move slowly, slowly, slowly. And that's just a really good way to introduce a room. Once you introduce the room, of course, then you can play with different angles. So I would go to the other side of the room. So let's just say the master bedroom, the master bathroom. And then I'm going to utilize another technique, which is the same one that I showed you earlier on utilizing the wall. And you get that recording. And then that way you're showing two different angles of the master bedroom or the guest bedroom, whichever room you're recording at the time, to give a good outlook on the room, so that way they can get a good idea of what it feels like to be in that room. So another trick that I like to utilize is, like, I will be super close to, let's just say, this couch, for example. And what I'm going to do is, once I begin to record, I'm going to slightly lift it up and show the living area. Sorry, my phone looked like it was lagging. It's a 7 Plus. But you get the idea. I'll showcase that right now, so that way you have an idea what that looks like, and then we can continue going from there. Okay, so I am currently at the open house. It is the day after I recorded the initial video, so we skipped a day ahead of time. I finally got a haircut. I don't look super scruffy, but we're gonna get in a super detailed I guess way of showing you how to edit the video. So pretty much just kind of follow me along. I'm gonna kind of talk about what I'm doing, and I'm gonna show you how I edit it. I'm not gonna do like a super crazy hardcore edit because we'll be here for like 2 hours. But I wanna get to the point where you get the idea and you're not here for like 3 hours watching the video. So let's look now here at the recording, and I initially picked the song, and so we'll have the song. And so I usually get the song, so I won't, or we'll put it all, but actually I need the first clip. Let's go back up to the first clip. So here's some of the clips that I took from yesterday. So great introduction to the house. So let me see. So I don't keep everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop it to right there where it's a nice clean, introduction to the home. Of course, take off the sound, and then I'm going to, let's just put the song here, and then this, watch the difference. Boom. Let's try to cut it a little bit on the song, just because this is just for editing purposes, and this song is okay. Let's make it a little bit longer. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to, personally, the way I like to make my videos is I like them to drop on the drop. So let me see. We got it now. Cool. So now let's reverse this. I'm probably gonna fast forward a lot of this just to make it really quick, so that way you get a good understanding. So now we're gonna pick the next clip. Boom. So super clean. I'm gonna put that there. What I also like to do, and I'm gonna show you this, make sure you're recording on 60 frames per second, so that way if you do need to slow down a portion, it doesn't come out really choppy. If you do it at 30 frames per second, it comes out really choppy, and then you're just not gonna like that. So now let's rewatch that. Let's put the volume up a little bit. Perfect. I think it's about to drop again on the next part. Ignore my talking. Let me see. All right, boom. So here's that drone effect that I showed you earlier. I like it right there. I don't think I need it over here. Let's bring that in. No slowing needed on that one. Awesome. Oh, hold on. Totally did not mean to select that. And it's just entirely up to you, like how you want to make your video in reality. If you want to, you know, start from the inside, start from the outside, which I always recommend, of course, the outside. That's just how I make mine. And like I said, some people will usually have the song like in their mind before they start the video, but I don't. I just take millions of clips, and with those millions of clips, I put it together with the song. So let's check that one more time. Nice. So I guess that's just like a little introduction on what you can do to make these videos in order for you to just get started, because that's literally how I started like making my videos. Is I take millions of clips. So let's go back to the regular screen. So you see all these videos right here. All these videos are literally like what my screen will look like, if not more, all the way down to right over here next to like these folders. And that's going to be pretty much all clips of just the home itself. So like this is literally right here. All this that I'm highlighting was just for practice. So imagine if I were to actually like have the home like video, it would be like 10 times more than what it is. So I'm gonna finish this video so that way I can show you at the ending kind of like an idea of what the home would look like through a video, but as a tutorial. So what we're gonna do right now is we are gonna teleport back a day to the ending of the video. And then at the end of that, I'm going to show you the house. So let's get it, guys. So I hope that really helped you guys out. I know I went pretty detailed as far as showing you like how I edited it, and kind of showing you like a little bit of the tricks that I've learned doing myself. And you can utilize that for your own business. You can utilize that to start a business as a videographer and charge real estate agents on filming their homes if that's what you're trying to do. Or you could just do it for fun and, you know, content creating purpose. So just like with all my other videos that I make, even if they're slightly different, like I have my travel vlogs and I have my real estate videos. And if you look way back at like my fitness or my self-improvement videos, like I'm constantly trying to improve my editing with each and every single video, because it's just a lot of fun. And you gotta have more fun with it than you have to think more serious about it. Because if you're super serious about it, you're not gonna enjoy it. It's gonna feel like a chore, and you're not gonna be as motivated to make these videos. So when you come in here and you're going to film a home, just come in with an open mind. Me personally, I film like 10 million clips and I send them all to my laptop, and then I figure it out, and then I find the song after I film the clips. And I kind of fit the song to the house. You can utilize whatever music you want to use. I usually use lo-fi music, and that's just because lo-fi music is just, it's kind of mellow, but it's kind of cool. So it kind of gives me like really good ways to make different transitions with the beats. So you can either do that, or you can find the song first. I know some people find the song first so that way they envision how they're going to make the video, and then they start to film the home with like the way they envisioned that they were going to make it with that song. But it's entirely up to you. Everybody has their own choice. I am selling this home, by the way, so if you are interested, go ahead and email me down below. I have my information down there, and we can talk about that, and I can send you the information on it, as I am hosting an open house. Don't forget to check out my next few videos, as you can see me constantly creating or changing my editing skills, and I just think of it as art, and it's just a lot of fun to me. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and give it a like, and leave in the comments down below, like I said, if you want me to go more in depth on some of this, so that way I can help you guys you know, at least get to where I'm at, because I'm no professional, but I'm literally using a 7 Plus. So if you look at all my videos, like go back to my videos and go check them out. I'll leave a link on the bottom of the video that I filmed of this home like months ago, so that way you can also compare that to not necessarily the editing of this video, but maybe my last video in my vlog, because I'm just constantly like trying to level up in my videos. Thanks guys.